Hi all, welcome to John's Boilermaking. Today we've got the Knight Rider for you. Issues 91 and 92. I need a quick catch up where the car is concerned because I've had one or two things done to it due to faulty parts. So I'll give you a quick heads up on that. Last month I had a scratch on here. So I replaced that. I did get a replacement issue and it's perfectly good now. One or two mucky finger marks on it. But it's looking brilliant now. And then obviously previously I had a problem with the headlights and they're working fine, and the bonnet is sat down nicely. That's great. It is a bit awkward getting the bonnet up, but I've noticed that with everybody's build. You have to kind of, there we go. It's quite dusty, but it does drop into place nicely and it doesn't rock anymore, which is brilliant. Excellent stuff. Everything else is working fine. But anyway, let's get on with issue 91. So here we have stage 91 of the Knight Rider. We have a Burial Ground episode 5 season 4, and we have a mixtape song list. Brilliant. Country Road, James Taylor. Excellent stuff. Wish I could sing it for you, but I can't sing. Then we have KITT's functions, and there we go. Snippets from the series. And in this issue you will position the fuel tank cap on the rear wing of your KITT scale model. We also get a rear roof plate. There we go, to keep them windows in place. Excellent. Flip that over, then we put the fuel cap on. There we go. There we go, and then we put the wing on. Excellent stuff. And that is what we're left with. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. So here we have the parts. There we go, those are the parts. We have the rear roof plate, fuel tank base cover, fuel tank cap hinge, AM, AP, BP, EM, KM and WM screws. And this is looking really good. Excellent. So the first thing we need to do is pop this into place with some WM screws. So I'll bring the car over and get this upside down. Well, after we pop this into place, of course, which goes just there like that and holds them windows in place. A little bit of tape should hold that while we put it upside down. Okay, now we have 3 WM screws. So we get the first one in here. Then we just need another 2, one there and one there. There we go, excellent. I've taken that retaining bar off as well. So we can flip this back over now and we can remove all that tape. And there we go. That is the roof plate in place. Make sure these open. Excellent. Yep, they still open up. That's great. Brilliant stuff. Looking good as well. No scratches, thankfully. Let's move on. Okay, next we need the wing from previous issue, and we need to fit this hinge. Now this hinge will go on that way, just there, and we need an AM screw to fit this into place. And we have one AM screw. This right way around for me. Hold that hinge there like so. There we go. Brilliant. Thought that weren't going to go for a second. Well, there we go, that's brilliant. Next we need the fuel tank cap, and that will go on to here, onto that hinge there like so, and we can fit that with an AP screw. There we go. That's that in place. Excellent. That should open up no problem. Yep. Brilliant. Next we need the fuel tank base cover, and we need the cap. The cap will go into there and it will locate itself because there's a little notch on the cap and a little gap for it there. Just see that there, yeah. so that will only go on one way, and we'll capture that with a BP screw from the other side. There we go, actually got it. Just keep turning that little cap until it slots itself into place. There we go. Excellent. And that will fit on to there with another AM screw. So we'll get this into place now. Get that lined up. There we go. Excellent. That should open up to reveal the cap, which it does. Brilliant. Excellent stuff. Need to put this onto the car now. Now to fit the wing, we pop this onto the driver's side, just there, get that lined up, just like that. Then we need 4 km and 1 EM screw. So now we can screw it into place. We get the first km screw into here. There we go. Now we need an EM screw here, and another 3 km screws, 1 here and 2 here. Didn't think that one wanted to go in at first. There we go. Excellent. Well, let's look at that now. There we go. There's that wing in place. Looking superb. Excellent. That fuel cap should open up. There we go. Brilliant. There we go. Nicely lined up as well. This door opens up, yeah, and closes. Brilliant. Lovely tight bit, that. Excellent. Absolutely nothing wrong with that whatsoever. Looking brilliant. Fantastic. And these stay up. There we go. Those roof windows. Brilliant stuff. Excellent. Let's move on to issue 92. Okay, now we now have stage 92. We have episode 6, season 4, The Wrong Crowd. Let's see if they got a mixtape song in here. Oh, they haven't. Oh, that's disappointing. Lots of lovely pictures though. Stage 92. In this issue, you will mount some parts on the right rear wing and attach it to your kit scale model. There we go. Air inlet, locking pin. Pop that onto the car. We can check the roof windows again. I've already done that, but we can do it again. And that is the final result. Good. Means I can get rid of all that tape. Excellent. There we go. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. Here are our parts. There we go, those are our parts. There is the wing. EM screws, BP, GM and KM screws. We have that vent and the locking pin for the door. The vent goes onto there, like so. Yeah, we'll fix that in place with a BP screw. Okay, let's put this vent back in place again. There she goes. Fit it just like that. Excellent. And then we need a BP screw from this side. There we go. Now we need the locking pin. You can see it's keyhole shape, that, and the hole there is keyhole shape. So we need to fix that in place with a GM screw. It will go just like that. Excellent. Okay, now let's hold that like so and get this screw into place. There we go. That's lined up nicely. There we go. That's better. Nicely lined up. Brilliant. Now I think we can pop this onto the car. We must put the indicator light on later. Okay, now we got the car on its side again. We open the door and we'll get the wing into place. There we go. Now we can shut that, I think. Yep, I'll keep that in place. That's that locking pin. There we go. Now we need 4 km and 1 EM screw on this. For this, so let's turn this right way around. There we go. Get that just there. Okay, now let's get the EM screw in first. That's this little one here. Get that in at the bottom. Excellent. And now we need the KM screws. We need one here, and two at the back here. Excellent, that's all 4 screws in place. Let's flip this over, have a look at that. There we go, that's that wing in place. And the door is fully lined up. Excellent, that's the hood. Got oil here now. Right, let's take this tape off again and check these windows again. There we go. Brilliant. They stay open, fantastic, excellent stuff. So that's both rear wings in place. Excellent stuff, it's looking really good. There we go, there's an overhead shot. It's looking brilliant. That's nice. I had to polish this roof plates here because it did have some residue off the plastic wrapping, but the polish took it off, which is great. And the 2 wings are looking absolutely fantastic. The door alignment is absolutely bob on, so that is brilliant on both sides of the car, of course. Really chuffed about that. Yeah, I've had 1 or 2 issues with this, but yeah, it's looking absolutely fantastic. That, absolutely loving it. Brilliant. So there we go, folks, that is stages 91 and 92 complete. Excellent. The car is looking absolutely superb. I have tested it before starting these stages to make sure all the electronics work, but that's the wings in place on that roof plate. There we go. Fantastic. The door windows are still a little bit iffy. They do go up and down when they feel like it. I don't see that one's going up. Shut the door and it drops down. Oh well. I have stripped them a few times, or disassembled them, not stripped them, and checked them out, and it goes up and down no problem there, but it is a little bit loose. Whereas the other one on this side, I think is still a bit of an issue. This one is quite stiff before. You see, it only goes up so far. But never mind. I believe in the windows down now anyway, just so as you can see everything inside. But everything's lined up, that's all that matters. You know, the wings, the doors, excellent. Looking brilliant. Needs a polish now, of course. That fuel cap looks absolutely super as well. Nice little touch, that. Brilliant, excellent stuff. So there we go, that is it, stages 91, 92, 93, 94. I'll get up on another video. Excellent. So if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon for the next 2 issues. Thanks for tuning in and watching. Stay safe. Bye for now.